Hello, Jambo. My name is Kithinji Muriungi from Kenya. I'm currently a systems engineer at Konza Technopolis, popularly known as Silicon Savannah or Silicon Valley of Africa. So basically my role is to work with the team of consultants and also contractors in implementation of a smart city, particularly IoT systems. But more importantly, my role extends into building knowledge economy and innovation ecosystem. Apart from that, I've founded an innovation-based startup called Kamsab, and currently we have a series of products, but currently we are focusing on Bestilaya, which majorly focuses on three main SDG goals. That is SDG number 4, which is quality education. Number 10, reduced inequalities, and number 17, which is partnership. So apart from that, I'll also like to thank you all, and I'm hoping to interact with you, build sustainable relationship, sustainable companies, but more importantly, build sustainable solutions for Africa. Thank you all.